So you may have subscribers in another email marketing platform that you want to import into your Kit platform, or you may have a list of subscribers that have given you their permission to add, and you want to add them into Kit. So I'm going to show you how you can do that manually using the Kit platform. So we're going to go to Grow Subscribers, and down here we've got a button that says Add Subscribers. I'm going to click on that, and you'll see there's 3 different ways in which you can import a subscriber. So the first one is just one subscriber at a time. So I'm going to click on that, and the way to do it is like, I'm going to type in a name here, a fictitious name. Let's call it Yvonne, and I'm going to say Yvonne's email address is at provenflows.com. So I've got our first name and our email address. I'm going to click next. When you're importing a subscriber into Kit, you need to assign something to it, an asset to it, either a tag or a form or a sequence. By default, it creates for you a tag that's got the date stamp on it of when you're doing it. Okay, so I'm just going to go with that for the moment and click finish. And that subscriber is now added into Kit. So you can see here at the top, I've got Yvonne added. I'm going to click on her details, and you can see she's been added in, and she's got this tag applied to her profile. Okay, so that's the first way of importing subscribers. The second way is adding subscribers is through bulk CSV. So this is the way most people would do it. So let's imagine you had 1,000 subscribers on another email marketing platform, and you export that data. You'd end up with a file, a CSV file with 1,000 subscribers in it. I'm going to show you how you can do that, import them into Kit using this tool here. So import CSV, and then it says drag and drop your file into here or click to upload. So I've got one here just made for demo purposes. I'm going to drag it in here. I'm going to drop it. And what it does is it detects what fields are inside that CSV file and then asks you to map them to the fields inside your Kit account. So you can see here on the left hand side it says the column name in the CSV file, which is first name and email address. That's the only 2 fields I've got in this file. And it says, where do you want me to map the value of first name? And in here I'll say, in Kit, I want you to add that to the first name field. And then email address, I want you to add that to the email field. And then it gives you examples using the data that's in the file. I've only got 3 records in this file. And then again, I'm going to click next. And again, just like the manual one, it will ask me what tag I want to use. I'm just going to use the default tag and say start import. So it's going to import those those subscribers into my list, and it just pops up a little message to say it could take a few minutes, and it'll send me an email updating me when it's complete. And I can close this. Now, because there was only 3 email addresses in that, it happens literally in seconds. If there were hundreds of thousands of email addresses in that file, it could take a few minutes to upload. So now here you can see the 3, if I just draw a little line, a circle around it, those are the 3, Lucy, Tim and Ray are the 3 subscribers that were in that file. So they've now been imported into my Kit account. The third and final way of importing subscribers is this one here. It says other provider. Now this is a bit limited because it only lists certain subscribers, certain email marketing platforms. But let's say you're moving from ActiveCampaign to Kit. You click that. It says here, click here to get your ActiveCampaign API key. API key is just a fancy way of saying two systems can talk to each other electronically, and if you provide your special key called an API key and insert that into it, it means that Kit can automatically go and contact, in this case ActiveCampaign, request your records and bring them into Kit for you. I'm not going to do that here, but that's what you would do. You would add in your details there, and it would import them for you. And that's how you can manually import subscribers into Kit.